Hello students, welcome to Meetu Maths classes. In the last class we have started class 11 chapter 1 sets and we have already learned how to write a set. We can write a set in two forms, either in roster form or in set builder form. But today we are going to extend our knowledge with types of sets. So let us take what are the types of sets. There is first type of set is let us take a null set. What is null set? Or we can say it as empty set, or we can say it as void set. What do you mean by null set, empty set or void set? A null set contains nothing. A null set contains nothing, and it can also be written as phi. Phi is a set which does not contain anything. And secondly, let us take the definition of a finite set. What do you mean by finite set? A set is finite if the elements of that set is countable. If it has countable elements. और आप ऐसे भी कह सकते हैं कि आप अगर एक की के अंदर 1 2 3 4 5 6 ये इतने एलिमेंट्स हैं एंड दैट इज कॉल्ड कार्डिनल वैल्यू ऑफ अ सेट, और वी कैन से दैट द नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स इन अ सेट एंड दैट इज 6. Now let us take another definition of infinite set. What do you mean by infinite set? A set is infinite if its elements cannot be countable. If the elements are uncountable, or then the set is infinite. Infinite. Let us take another definition of equivalent sets. Equivalent sets. The two sets are said to be equivalent. A is equivalent to B if and only if their cardinalities are same. अगर दो सेट्स की कार्डिनल नंबर सेम है तो दे आर कॉल्ड इक्विवेलेंट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल योर सेट ए बी सी डी इज इक्विवेलेंट टू द सेट 1 2 3 4. चाहे इनके एलिमेंट्स सेम नहीं है बट दे बोथ हैव कार्डिनल वैल्यू 4, सो दे आर कॉल्ड इक्विवेलेंट. एंड फाइनली लेट अस टेक द डेफिनेशन ऑफ इक्वल सेट्स. द टू सेट्स आर कॉल्ड इक्वल if and only if each element of A is equals to B, if and only if every element of A is an element of B and vice versa. मतलब आपका B का हर एक एलिमेंट A का एलिमेंट होना चाहिए और A का हर एक एलिमेंट B का एलिमेंट होगा, तो we will say that the two sets are equal. Now let us start with exercise 1.2 question 1. Which of the following are examples of null set? You already know the definition of a null set. A set which does not contain any element is called a null set. So the set of odd natural numbers divisible by 2. अब आपके odd natural numbers होंगे तो 1 3 5 7 ये सब होंगे, बट उनमें से divisible by 2 there is not any element which is divisible by 2. Odd number कोई भी divisible by 2 नहीं होगा, so this will be a null set. Second, the set of even prime numbers. आप अगर prime numbers लिखते हैं तो 2 3 5 7 11 this is the set of prime numbers. उसमें से even prime number आपका 2 आता है, तो this is not a null set. Next, x such that x is a natural number which is x is less than 5, x is less than 5 हो and x should be greater than 7 also. तो दोनों कंडीशन एंड है तो इंटरसेक्शन है, बोथ कंडीशंस मस्ट सेटिस्फाई. ऐसे नेचुरल नंबर्स ढूंढना जो 5 से लेस भी हो और 7 से ग्रेटर भी हो, दैट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. सो दिस इज अ नल सेट. Now y such that y is a point common to any two parallel lines. अगर दो lines parallel हैं तो उनमें कोई भी common point नहीं होता. So this set is also a null set. Next, second question, which of the following sets are finite or infinite? The first one is the set of months of a year. अगर आप इस set को लिखते हैं तो the elements will be January, February, March, April, so on till December. So this set is finite. We can count the elements, that it contains 12 elements. Second, a set containing 1, 2, 3 and it keep on going. So this is the set of all natural numbers, and natural numbers are infinite. So this is an infinite set. Third one, your third set is 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on natural numbers till 100. तो आपका ये वाला जो सेट है वो 1 से 100 तक के नेचुरल नंबर्स का है. यू कैन काउंट कि 100 एलिमेंट्स हैं इसके अंदर. सो दिस इज अ फाइनाइट सेट. द सेट ऑफ ऑल पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स ग्रेटर देन 100. ग्रेटर देन 100 अगर आप पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स लिखते हैं तो वो सारे आ जाते हैं ग्रेटर देन 100 के अंदर. 101, 102 एंड सो ऑन. द काउंटिंग विल कीप ऑन गोइंग. सो दिस विल बी एन इनफाइनाइट सेट. द सेट ऑफ प्राइम नंबर्स लेस देन 99. अगर आप प्राइम नंबर्स का सेट बनाते हैं तो 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 एंड सो ऑन. बट टिल 99, लेस देन 99, तो 99 से पहले आपको 97 लास्ट प्राइम नंबर मिलता है. सो दिस इज काउंटेबल. द एलिमेंट्स आर काउंटेबल. सो दिस इज अगेन अ फाइनाइट सेट. Your third question is, state whether each of the following sets are finite or infinite. The first one is the set of lines which are parallel to x-axis. देखो आप x-axis के parallel काफ़ी सारी lines draw कर सकते हो. In fact, there can be infinite many lines. So the set is infinite. Next is the set of letters in English alphabet. अगर आप English alphabet के letters को count करोगे, they are countable. We know that it contains 26 alphabets. So the set is finite. Next is the set of numbers which are a multiple of 5. If you are trying to write it, the multiples of 5, the multiples of 5 will keep on going. So this set is uncountable and so it is an infinite set. Next is the set of animals living on the earth. अगर आप काउंट करना चाहें तो अर्थ के ऊपर जो एनिमल्स हैं they can be countable. So it is an finite set. The set of circles passing through origin. Origin से पास करने वाले there can be infinite many circles. So the set is infinite. Now in the fourth question, in the following state whether the two sets are equal or not. Your first set is A, B, C, D and the second set B is B, C, B, D, C, B, A. आप देख सकते हैं A इसके अंदर आ रहा है, B इसका A का हर एक एलिमेंट B में आ रहा है और B का हर एक एलिमेंट A में आ रहा है. So they are equal. In the second A contains 4, 8, 12 and 16 but B contains 4, 8, 16 and 18. Since आपको यही बहुत वो है, since 12 is not coming to B, so A is not equals to B. In the next one, A contains 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and B is given in the set builder form x such that x is a positive even integer which is less than equals to 10. अगर आप B को लिखोगे तो क्या लिखोगे? पॉजिटिव इवन इंटीजर, पॉजिटिव इवन इंटीजर 2 से स्टार्ट होंगे और लेस देन इक्वल्स टू 8 आपके यही आएंगे. सो यू कैन ऑब्जर्व दैट A इज इक्वल्स टू B. So the two sets are equal. And finally your last question is A is x such that x is a multiple of 10. तो A को अगर आप रोस्टर फॉर्म में लिखोगे तो it will be equals to 10, 20, 30, 40 and so on. And B contains 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 so on. So since 15 does not belongs to A, so A cannot be equals to this. So they are not equal. Now your fifth question is, are the following pair of sets equal? Your set A contains 2, 3 and your set B is x containing those x which are the solutions of this equation. तो आपके इस equation के solutions क्या होंगे? By middle term splitting you can split in 2x plus 3x plus 6 is equals to 0 and that will be equals to x plus 2 and x plus 3 is equals to 0. So x will be equals to minus 2 and minus 3. So this set contains minus 2 minus 3 and this set contains 2 3. So they are not equal. Your second question, your A contains those x is a letter in the word follow. तो आपका A set आ जाएगा FOLLOW and your B set will be equals to Y such that Y is a letter of the word wolf. Wolf में जो भी जितने भी letter use हो रहे हैं उनके का set है. तो you can see that the two sets are equal. Each and every element of A is coming into B and every element of B is coming into A. So they are equal sets. In the sixth question, from the sets given below, you have to select equal sets. You can observe that A contains 4 elements, but this is also containing 4 elements, but the elements are different. This is also containing 4 elements, the elements are different because 2 is not coming here. Similarly, this is not equals to anything. Now B, 1, 2, 3, 4 and your D is also 1, 2, 3, 4. So B and D are equal. Secondly, your E contains minus 1, 1 and G contains also minus 1, 1. So E is equals to G and nothing और आपके कोई भी मैच नहीं कर रहे हैं. No other sets are equal. So students, I hope you must be enjoying studying with me. Keep watching my videos. Have a nice day. Goodbye.